Use the tan in one use itself. You can apply it on your hands as well. Like 1 or 2 uses. Super efficient and budget friendly detan mask at home. So recently I came back from a beach vacation, and despite using sunscreen, you can see I'm clearly tanned. So today I'll be sharing like one of the things what I do post every vacation. So this is the thing what I use. So it not only brightens and helps reduce the tan, but also softens your skin. And the best part, it can be used on skin, like on face and on body as well. So all you need is to apply this 1 hour before you shower. Apply it properly everywhere, and it's the best thing. It like removes the tan in one use itself. It's very easy to make. It soothes the sun irritation and cools down the skin instantly. So apply a thick layer, and you can apply it on your beard as well. It won't like cause any gray hairs. Apply it everywhere nicely. Don't forget your neck. And all you need is like 3 to 4 ingredients, and that's it to make this super efficient and budget friendly detan mask at home. Hands, feet, body, everywhere. Like whatever you feel it's tanned, you can just apply it and leave it on. You want to apply a nice layer everywhere on the whole body. And you can see the difference just in like 1 or 2 uses. फर्स्ट इसमें आपको थोड़ा एक शेड लाइटर तो स्किन दिखी जाएगी आपकी. And you can use it probably twice a week. So it's very safe because it's of all natural ingredients, so इसमें कुछ chemicals है नहीं. So it's completely safe to use once or twice a week as well. And you can use it also as a scrub. सूखने के बाद you can like scrub it off, and you can wash your face, or you can just like do water wash as well. And we are done. So let me know in the comments if you will try it and do post your results.